kaka tiyo kod ndigni miyo nyamrerwa go yudo yo mayot mar chopo kama idwarogie. Nyamrerwa go to koni nyalo margi mar chopo kuonde moganda dwaro yude thieth nyalo bedo matek kaluwore gi bugni ma osebedo ka nitiere e apaya ma gitiyo godo.
Stories of atheism and motivation from our CHPs in an effort to serve their communities, which are coupled with the realities of walking long distances, crossing difficult terrain, while carrying their working tools. These stories remind us that our policies can only be successful when the person delivering care is impacted by them positively.
There's over 3.1 billion people that are living in mobility poverty. That means they live long distances without access to healthcare, education, economic opportunities. Primarily, they're walking to try to reach these areas, but having to walk 10, 15 kilometers just to get to a health clinic. So our vision is that bicycles can mobilize people so they can access these things.
Mimi sikuwa nimejifundisha baiskeli nikiwa mdogo, nimejifundisha baiskeli nikiwa tu mtu mzima. Mwaka 2006. 2006 ndio nilijifundisha baiskeli. Nikija kupewa na Buffalo nilikuwa